Something's happening right now and almost nobody sees it. And if you're watching this, you're early. You weren't supposed to see this yet, but since you did, please pay attention. Every few years, a new category quietly opens up. The internet, social media, crypto, and the people who move first don't just make money, they build empires. What's happening right now is different. It's not drop shipping, it's not crypto, it's not some random affiliate trend. It's called digital insurance. Listen, people insure their cars, their homes, their health, but what's the most valuable thing they actually own in 2026? Their data. Their photos, videos, business files, client lists, their entire digital life. One hack, one ransomware, one attack, one crash, and it's gone. Digital insurance protects that. And here's the thing that nobody understands yet. It's subscription based, which means massive monthly recurring revenue month after month. No inventory, no shipping, no complicated tech skills. If you can copy and paste a link, you can do this. It's simple, scalable, faceless, and it pays every single month. The last time an essential subscription model expanded this fast, the early movers won big. And right now, the space is still wide open. But it won't stay that way. So comment below how much you want to be making every month. Is it 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000? Doesn't matter. Then follow me, because tomorrow I'm breaking down exactly how digital insurance works and why positioning early matters. The link in my bio explains it, but watch it before it disappears, because when this becomes mainstream, you'll be glad you moved first.